I am currently working as a stage manager in Viva, Lasvegas.
Like they wanted to become a performer, so it should become from the heart. So we have to do it from the basic. It's kind of hard, but it's my job.
Our talent is to entertain people, to give them happiness. Use my talent and to give entertainment. So yes, na 2007. The performer is very happy so that so I can give her to me a comedy and give that to everyone.
I am also a member of the LGBTQ community, so I understand their feelings. I want them to learn and embrace what they're doing. You have the passion, the talent of entertaining people. We just wanted to see them smiling and clapping in our performance. I think that is the best thing that we could feel in every performance that we are doing.